Hello, so just for fun today, I put together a basic phishing simulation to understand how these attacks work. I am still learning coding, but I did manage to get something working that actually demonstrates the key concepts. I'll be showing you a high-level overview of my project, then demonstrate how it works, and discuss the key takeaways. Before we get to my simulation, let's talk about how phishing actually starts. It starts with a fake email. The email looks legit at first glance, but there are red flags. The sender address is weird, the link goes to a sketchy domain, and they're usually creating urgency. This is what tricks people into clicking. I built a simulation of what happens after someone clicks that link. It's basically a web page that looks like a Microsoft login and a Python server that captures whatever people type in. So let me show you what happens when someone falls for the phishing email and enters their credentials. First, I start up the Python server that hosts the fake login page. Now, when I navigate to the local address in my browser, this is what the victim sees. It's clearly inspired by the Microsoft login page, but if you look closely, it's not perfect. In a real attack, hackers would make it look much more convincing. Now, here's where the victim might get suspicious. They're redirected to a real Microsoft site, but they're not actually logged in. They might think it was a glitch or try again, but in that brief moment, their credentials were already captured. So let's check out what my server captured during that process. As you can see, the credentials were saved instantly. Even though the redirect might tip off more alert users, many people would just assume it was a technical glitch and try again, or not think much of it. Putting this together has taught me some important things about phishing. First, the email is the hook. It has to look convincing enough to get the click. Second, the fake page needs to look legitimate enough that people won't get suspicious. And third, even basic technical skills can demonstrate how these attacks work. The fact that I could build this simulation after some research online and pretty basic coding skills shows why phishing is such a common attack. It really doesn't require advanced hacking skills, just social engineering and basic web development. Based on what I learned, here are the key things that can help you spot phishing emails. Always check the actual sender's email address, not just the display name. Be suspicious of urgent threats like your account will be closed. When in doubt, manually type in the website address instead of clicking links. And most importantly, enable 2FA everywhere, because even if they get your password, 2FA will stop them from getting into your account.